Hey there, fellow remote workers. So I know we all love the freedom and flexibility that comes with working from home in our pajamas, but let's talk about something super important today: continuous learning. I know, the thought of adding more to our already overflowing plates might seem daunting, but trust me, it's worth it. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room: technology. I mean, come on, we all know how quickly things change in the tech world. One day, you're a pro at using a certain software, and the next day, they release an update that makes you feel like you're back in the Stone Age. So, if you want to stay relevant and not get left behind, you gotta keep learning. It's like trying to keep up with the Kardashians, but way more important. And let's not forget about the competition out there. With more and more people jumping on the remote work bandwagon, you gotta stay ahead of the game. Continuous learning can give you that edge you need to stand out from the crowd. Plus, who doesn't want to be the office or home office know-it-all? Now, I know what you're thinking. Who has the time for all this learning when we're already juggling a million things at once? But here's the thing. Learning doesn't have to be a huge time commitment. It can be as simple as watching a quick tutorial on YouTube or listening to a podcast while you're folding laundry. Trust me, every little bit helps. And let's not forget about the mental benefits of continuous learning. It keeps your brain sharp, boosts your creativity, and can even make you happier. Who knew that watching a TED Talk on a random Tuesday afternoon could be the key to inner peace? So, my fellow remote workers, let's make a pact to prioritize continuous learning. Whether it's mastering a new skill, staying up to date on industry trends, or just expanding your knowledge for the heck of it, let's commit to being lifelong learners. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be the ones giving the TED Talks and inspiring others to never stop learning. And hey, if all else fails, at least we'll have some killer conversation starters for our next Zoom happy hour. Cheers to learning, my friends.